Hey, what's up guys, TechTine here, and I am back again with a brand new video. So this time around I have the brand new iPad mini, which received its biggest refresh to date. So yeah, we're going to be doing unboxing. I'll give you guys my first impressions, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so in a similar Apple fashion, you do have this kind of a pull tab, so you literally don't need a razor or a knife or anything like that. That's freaking genius to me. And yeah, you pull it out, and all you have to do is just lift up the box. Little background. I did an iPhone 13 unboxing. I'll leave it linked in the description below. But one of the first things that hit me is that Apple still retains the plastic wrap on their iPad. So I guess their iPads didn't get the memo. So similar plastic tab from previous generations. You just literally have to slide it through and peel this plastic off. I mean, if Apple's really serious about the environment, they would follow that line throughout their all electronics lineup, from their Mac to their iPad. But whatever. Peeling off this plastic and lifting the lid, the first thing that we will get is, of course, our mighty and small iPad. So I'm going to lift it and place it to the side real quick. Man, I haven't held one of these in a long time. Alright, let's just place it to the side. And we get our paperwork, and also we get your 20-watt fast charger. And you also get your USB-C to USB-C, which is nice. So next thing, we're just going to peel off this piece of paper. And here it is in all of its glory, right? The iPad mini 2021. So I'm going to power it on, spend some time with it, and give you guys my honest first impressions. Alright, so it's been a couple of hours. I have it set up and everything is complete. And here's what I have to say. So the first thing is this display and this interface. So iPads are iPads. They're meant to be kind of, well, Apple's message is meant to make them a laptop replacement, which to me they're really not yet, at least. So the interface it's iPad-like. Right now the display is, I think, its weakest point, right? So it doesn't have any ProMotion display. It doesn't have 100, which means it doesn't have 120 hertz refresh rate, and it's noticeably worse than the iPad Air or their iPad Pro lineup. For $499, I think Apple could have done better. And the bezels, on first impressions, I mean, what I've saw on the keynote and what I'm looking at in my eyes are totally different in a way. So the bezels are slightly bigger than what I expected. So yeah, I mean, that's just, again, my first impressions. And on the back of the iPad, you do have your single camera with your LED flash as well as a microphone. iPads are not meant to take the greatest pictures in the world, but you do have it if you need it. So on the front, you also have your front-facing camera hidden there. On the top of the iPad, interestingly enough, you have your volume up and down, a 2-speaker grill, as well as your Touch ID sensor. On the bottom, you do have another pair of stereo speakers, as well as your USB-C. And I mean, it's definitely a thin device. It's a thin and light device. Not too light though, so it does have some weight to it. So there's that. But I mean, overall, out of impressions, am I impressed? Kind of, but not really. So it's definitely a step up from previous generation iPad mini design. However, it does lack some things, which I really need to do more testing on it to give you guys a full final review. This is basically just my first impressions. And yeah, I mean, with that being said, I got work to do. I got a lot of things I need to review. The iPhone 13, more videos will be coming in the way, and the iPad mini, a review will be coming soon. So make sure you're subscribed, stay tuned for that, and I will definitely catch you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching.